we are going for our next data preparation phases. So data preparation phase is the foundation of success. So data data preparation phase, first is partitioning data, and another is data balancing. So in this presentation we will we all explore to how to build an accurate and reliable decision trees and random forest in a Python, enable to enabling to you make the data driven decision from the confidence. With confidence we will cover all the critical steps from the data preparation to modeling and provide practical examples. So what is the data preparation phase? So the first phase is partitioning the data. So data has been splitting the data has been split into our training, validation, and the test sets. This ensures that the models learn from the training data is find and on the validation data, and it is ultimately evaluated on the unseen data test. So this is how the data is partitioned. Another is data balancing. So data balancing it address unbalanced data set. Techniques like oversampling or undersampling can help create more balanced training sets, preventing base and improving model performance. So partitioning the data using the Pythons. So first is import the libraries, load the data, and another the split the data. So first is import library by importing essential libraries like scikit-learn for data splitting. Load the data. So load data set from the pandas data frame, ensure it will be clean, and go for analysis. Split the data. Use a scikit-learn test to split the function, partial the data into desired prepositions. So another on balancing the training data sets using Python. So there will be three methods. First is oversampling, another is undersampling, and third is smooth. So in our oversampling, it increases the representation of the minority classes by creating synthetic data points. Another second is undersampling. It reduces the representation of the majority classes by randomly removing the data points. Another is smooth. So smooth is a synthetic minority oversampling technique. It generates synthetic data points in the minority classes, preserving the data from the original sets. So building the card decision tree using a Python. So decision tree algorithm, card is a classification, and the regression tree are widely used for decision trees algorithm. It is recursively partition data based on the features of trees like structure. So first is implementation. Use the decision tree classifiers from the class selected to build a card decision tree. And second is hyperparameter tuning. Adjust parameter like depth, max, min samples, leaf, and Cartesian to optimize model performance. Building and random forest using Python. So first is C5.0. It is an improved version of cart with advanced pruning techniques. Second is a random forest. It assembles learning approach that combines multiple decision trees to improve accuracy and the reduce overfitting. Third is hyperparameter tuning, optimizing parameters like the numbers of the trees and max depth and the max samples of leaf each decision within the forest. So this how the decision trees and the Python of data preparation phases.